When it comes to managing business finances, choosing the right banking solution can make a huge difference. Qonto, a modern online business banking platform, is built specifically for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small businesses. Traditional banks, on the other hand, have been the go-to option for decades, offering physical branches and conventional services. Comparing Qonto and traditional banks highlights the shift in how businesses handle money today. Qonto provides a fully digital banking experience. Opening an account takes minutes online, without the need to visit a branch. Businesses can access multiple accounts, manage team cards, and assign spending limits instantly. Fees are transparent and predictable, starting at $9 per month for basic accounts, with higher tiers offering advanced features like accounting integrations, expense management, and multi-user access. Payments are fast, international transfers are supported in multiple currencies, and everything is accessible through the mobile app or web dashboard. Qonto also integrates seamlessly with accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks, simplifying bookkeeping and tax preparation. Traditional banks, however, follow a more conventional model. Setting up an account often requires physical documentation, in-person verification, and can take days or even weeks. Monthly fees may be lower for basic accounts, sometimes starting at $5 per month, but additional services such as wire transfers, multiple users, or accounting integrations often come with extra charges. Customer support is generally branch-based, and online interfaces vary widely in quality. International payments can be slower and more expensive, and most banks charge hidden fees for overdrafts, transfers, or currency conversions. The biggest advantage of Qonto lies in its efficiency and user experience. Business owners save time, reduce administrative overhead, and gain better control over company finances. Traditional banks provide stability and familiarity, but they often lag in speed, transparency, and digital convenience. For businesses prioritizing agility, clear pricing, and integrated financial tools, Qonto clearly delivers more value. Traditional banks still serve those who require extensive branch networks or more personalized in-person banking services. Ultimately, the choice depends on how a business operates. For modern businesses, freelancers, and startups, Qonto offers a streamlined, digital-first banking solution designed to make financial management simple, efficient, and cost-effective. Traditional banks remain a viable option for businesses that value legacy infrastructure, local branches, or complex financial products.